Alright, so what we are going to do is take a look at the March Girls Can Crate Kit. So we did find that someone has snooked this open, and you don't think it was you.
It was not me.
And I don't think it was me, so I think someone in our family snooked this open. So here we go, we'll find out who we're going to be learning about. So you want to grab the card?
So that says Junko Tabei.
Junko Tabei, the independent mountaineer. So that's who you get to learn about this time. So right down here there's some quick facts to help you learn about exactly who you're going to be making all these activities about. We have a bonus activity, breathing on Everest, where what you need is a straw. So you get to learn what it's like to breathe on Mount Everest, which I'm assuming she ended up climbing. We will be able to learn about that because here... Here is the activity books that come with these kits. So we have a couple of them. Celebrating the Adventures of Junko Tabei. Oh, look at that, you get to do math in it, lady.
Yeah.
And create your own trail mix. So you go through these, there's lots of activities through these. We will definitely be doing that.
We're gonna do this one today.
We're gonna do that activity?
Yeah.
What is it? So this is activity number 2. Predicting weather.
Yes.
So what do you get to make? A weather vane. So there must be some stuff in here to help you. Look at that. Oh, look at what else we found, Billy.
Oh, confetti! Confetti!
Packing confettis. So yes, there is some.
Let me throw more confetti. Let me throw
There's a
more
kit
confetti.
for making. Ah! Leah! You dropped everything everywhere. So that was the weather vane. Activity number 1 is actually create a summit flag. So whenever you go climbing mountains, you'll have something for your family to put on top of mountains. So we have our own flags.
Yeah, we get to make 2 of them.
We get to make 2 of them. And
we've practiced
we
already.
have our own summit flag making kit. So we can cut stuff out and, fabric paint and everything.
Fabric paint?
And
What's
glue,
that?
and there's our straw. So here's the, and here is more
Ugly glue.
of the weather vane. That's the stuff that we need for the weather vane.
Straw.
And we have 2 straws in there.
What we do?
1 straw?
Oh, and 2 straws.
2 straws.
Can I do that? Oh, okay.
You want to breathe? You can breathe if you want. Cool. Oh, and look at that. The April sneak peek. Meet the plucky journalist, Nellie Bly. Get excited to design your own newspaper. Build an around-the-world racer and more. So, that's the April kit. So that looks super fun as well.
It is April.
So what we're going to do is we're going to make our own stuff. We'll show you what our banners end up looking like. And if you end up having a Girls Can Crate kit, maybe share with us in the comments. Maybe what you would put on your summit flag.
And let's do subscribe at the end.
And let's do subscribe. So you can subscribe, right?
Yeah.
You want to watch more of this stuff? And Leah, what else? What are you excited about beyond learning about Junko Tabei?
Confetti!
Confetti is a pretty awesome part of these kits. You want to show people one more time? One last big confetti drop. Perfect.